welcome back to the Herbal Bunnies Pharmacy. My name is Tamatha. I'm a master herbalist and a naturopath. Today, look at it, it's sunny. It's almost springtime, like 2 more days. So excited. I have some blueberries I bought. Look at these guys. They got little buds coming on them. This one here is called Top Hat. So that's what he's gonna look like. Little tiny blueberries on him. And then I got this guy. Usually want to plant 2 of these together so that way they can pollinate. I'm not sure if I should do different plants, but the lady said it was fine. And this is the other one I have. I don't have a picture of what he's gonna look like in all his glory, but yeah, so I'm going to actually make 2 of these circles somewhere over here. My friend gifted me this planter box. But I'm gonna plant the blueberry bushes close by here. Just kind of have them just sitting out here for right now. But we are going to go into the basement where I have my seedlings and get them transplanted because they're starting to look a little bit deficient because seed starting soil does not have any nutrients in it. Even though I put the worm casting in, that's only going to go so far, and they're not really growing anymore. They're kind of just like stunted at one height. So I need to get them into their own little pot and let them grow for another 4 weeks before I can get them outside into their home. So let's go take a look at them. I do want to give you guys an update on the artichokes. Look at these guys. Look how big they've gotten. So remember the little tiny one that I didn't think was going to make it? That's him right there. Look at him just thriving. You're going to hear my dogs in the background, but yeah, look at them. These were the ones I almost killed, these 5 here, and they are looking magnificent. Yep, so I'm excited to get them out. So the artichokes have actually been hardening off because if you grow anything in grow lights, or if you bring plants in, you put them underneath the grow light during the winter time, you need to introduce them out into the sunshine very slowly. So what I like to do is for the first 2 days, 1 hour, and then increasing an hour each time until you give it about 6 hours. And then for 3 days, I keep them out for 6 hours, and then I let them do an overnight stay. And I usually check the forecast to make sure, somebody's trying to call, to make sure that they're not going to be frost or any hard freezes. If so, then I keep them closer to the house because it's warmer closer to the house. Also, if they are not frost hardy, which artichokes are frost hardy, so if they're frost tender, you do not want to leave them outside because then they get frostbit, then they're goners. Okay, so if you've seen my previous videos, this is the tray that my friend had gifted me. That's the self-watering tray. That's that one right there. Focus. Okay. So they've kind of stopped growing at this point, and they're starting to turn yellow, which means they need some nutrients. And I'm going to go ahead and transplant them into their own little pot. Now, if you remember, I also planted just a couple seeds in each one, so they're kind of competing for each other. Let me show you the soil I use. I love using black gold. I use the black gold seed starting mix. It's been working awesome. And so I've decided to try the black gold potting mix. It has nutrients in it, and it's going to give the seedlings what they need.